Good morning, all of you. Today we will do notice writing. Okay, do you remember anything about writing a notice from last year?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so first we will do the format of notice writing. You will tell me what to write where and I will write it on the board. We'll check whether what you are telling is correct or not. If what you are saying is wrong, then obviously I'll tell you the correct thing. Okay, first line center. What do we write?
Ma'am, notice.
Yes?
Ma'am, name of association.
Okay, name of association or name of organization. So first line center we write name of the organization, and in your case you will mostly write Cathedral Senior Secondary School. But if you are provided with a name of a school, sometimes they also tell you that you study in so and so school, in Lucknow Public School or St. Mary's School. So if they tell you, if they give you a name of a school, then you will write that name. Okay, but if they do not give you any name, then you write the name of your school. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
Next,
yes, ma'am.
second line center. What will you write?
Ma'am, notice. Ma'am, date. Ma'am, notice.
Notice.
Ma'am, notice.
Yes, right. Second line center we write notice. Yes, sir. You will only get this space. This space only will get. Okay, third line. What do we write in the third line?
Ma'am, on the left hand. Ma'am, date. Ma'am, date.
Okay,
Ma'am,
yes.
date on the left hand side. Ma'am, left side.
Left hand side we write the date. In which form do we write the date? Which form?
Ma'am, like 12 August 2021.
Normally
Date,
we
month,
use
and ma'am, year.
numeric form. Numeric. Okay? Means only numerals. So you use numeric. What will be the numeric form? What will be the numeric form? Like for today's date.
Ma'am, 12 May 2021.
I have put it here on the board. This is the numeric form. Okay, fourth line. What do we write?
Ma'am, subject. Ma'am, subject. Subject.
Topic?
Subject.
Where do we write the topic?
Ma'am, in the center. Ma'am, in the middle. Ma'am, in the center.
Okay, center.
Ma'am, in the center.
Center we write the topic. After that,
Ma'am, body of the notice. Ma'am, body of the notice. Ma'am, body of the notice.
or the subject, your subject matter. Okay, so means whatever you are told that you write. I am not able to see you. Open your videos.
Ma'am, I open.
Yes, come on. Yes, I am able to. Yes, Rishima, Prabhati. Where is Alaukik? Shabd.
Ma'am, I have opened. Ma'am, in here.
Okay, yes. Okay, fine now. Alright, then after you finish the subject matter, what do you write?
Ma'am, our name. Name of the person. Ma'am, our name. Notice.
So you write your name. Okay, after name.
Ma'am, designation of the person.
Okay, designation. After name you will write. Sometimes they give you, you are the head boy, head girl of your school, or you are the sports captain. So when they give you your designation, then you write your designation only. But if they don't give you the designation, then what will you write?
Ma'am, our class.
Yes, correct. Then you write your class. So if they have provided you with a designation, write the designation. If they have not provided you with any designation, then you can mention your class. Name in full you will write. Full name, okay? You will not write just your first name. You will write, like in message you write only your first name. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
But in notice you will write your full name. Okay. Is anything missing?
No, ma'am.
Is it all done?
Ma'am, we have to put this notice in a book.
Yes, correct. We have to put the notice in a box. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
always remember, notice you have to put in a box. Notice always needs to be put up in a box. Sometimes in the question you can get that put the notice in a box. Sometimes the question will not carry this sentence. Means it may not have this sentence that put the notice in a box. Still you will have to put a notice in a box. That is what the format says. Okay. So in your copies you will first copy the format and then copy the question. Okay, be ready with your pens. I will give you a question. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. Right. Write a notice. Write a notice for your school. For your school. Notice board for your school. Notice board. Inviting, 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 inviting students, inviting students to participate, inviting students to participate, 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 participate in the school fete, fete, Fete. Now what is this fete, Fete? Yes, tell me. Yes, what is the meaning? Does anyone know the meaning of the word fate? Sir, anyone here? Fate, Fete? Never heard the word before. Okay, there is one more fate, Fate. Do you know the meaning of that word? Fate? No?
Ma'am, a fair type.
Yes? Come on, class 7. Don't tell me you don't
Ma'am,
know
I
this.
know.
Yes, Purvi?
Ma'am,
Beta, your voice is not clear. Anyone else? Okay. Even if you don't know, Fete, fate, it means a fair. What do you call that in Hindi?
ma'am, Mela.
Right. Like you remember we used to have in school on Children's Day?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright? Okay, so that is Fete, fate. Now Fate, What do you call that in Hindi?
Ma'am, Christmas.
Okay.
Ma'am, Kismet.
Right. So you know the difference now. F-E-T-E fate, fair, and F-A-T-E fate, it is destiny. Okay. So you have to invite students to participate in the school fete. Full stop. The 3 best stalls. The 3 best stalls. S-T-A-L-L-S. S-T-A-L-L-S. The 3 best stalls will get prizes. Will get prizes from the education, from the education, E capital, right? E, capital E, education secretary, education secretary. First write secret, S-E-C-R-E-T-A-R-Y, secretary. The easiest way to learn the spelling, first write secret, S-E-C-R-E-T-A-R-Y, secretary. Okay, so even S will be capital, education secretary. So the 3 best stalls will get prizes from the education secretary. Full stop. Your school is New Method School. N will be capital, M will be capital, and S will be capital. New Method, M-E-T-H-O-D, New Method School. And you are comma Amit Goyal, A-M-I-T-G-O-E-L, Amit Goyal / Amita Goyal / Amita, A-M-I-T-A, Amita Goyal, comma the school captain, full stop. Do not exceed, E-X-C-E-E-D, E-X-C-E-E-D, do not exceed 50 words. Do not exceed 50 words. Full stop. Put the notice in a box. Put the notice in a box. Full stop. I will repeat. Write a notice for your school notice board inviting students to participate in the school fete. Full stop. The 3 best stalls will get prizes from the education secretary. Full stop. Your school is New Method School and you are Amit Goyal / Amita Goyal, comma the school captain. Full stop. Do not exceed 50 words. Full stop. Put the notice in a box. Full stop. Okay. So first take a screenshot of the format. If you have not copied it yet, take a screenshot.
Ma'am, taken.
Alright?
I'm taken.
Taken? Okay. Now let's try to do this notice. Obviously, I am not going to tell everything, but just because this is the first notice that we are doing, so this will be as help. just to make things little easy. First line center, what will we write?
Ma'am, our school name.
Ma'am, our
Ma'am, new method.
Correct. You will not write the name of your
School.
school. They have already provided you with the name of your school. So you will not write Cathedral Senior Secondary School here. If you write, your marks would be deducted. So, first line center, new method school. Second line. Second
Ma'am,
line.
notice.
Notice.
Ma'am, notice.
Okay. Third line.
Ma'am, date.
Ma'am, date on the left side.
Fourth line.
Ma'am, topic on the
What
center.
topic you want to give?
Ma'am, subject.
What topic?
Ma'am, invitation for the school fete.
Ma'am,
Okay, invitation for school
Invitation
fete.
to
Or
participate
just
in school
school
fete.
fete also is good enough.
School fete.
So we go ahead with school fete. Okay, how do you begin? How will you begin? Yes, how you start writing a notice.
Ma'am,
Yes, Shah?
ma'am, this notice in reference to.
This notice is in reference to or some other option?
Ma'am, from dear readers.
Beta, normally I tell students not to mention that dear readers and all. That is not required when you're writing notice for school. So you can simply start with the matter. You can start with this is to inform you, alright, or this is to bring to your notice. This is to inform or this is to bring to your notice. Alright, so this is to inform or you can write this is to bring to your notice. That is how you can begin your notice. So here what will you write? This is to inform that, and one more thing. Don't use pronouns of the first person. Pronouns of the first person are not allowed while writing a notice. So no, I, me, myself. Understood? I am your school captain. No, that is wrong. You are not supposed to use pronouns of the first person. Understood? And
Yes, ma'am.
as
Yes,
much
ma'am.
as possible, restrict the use of pronouns of the second person also. Don't write you, alright, all the time. Restrict that. We can also write this is to inform you, or we can also just write this is to inform. This is to inform that you have to.
Ma'am,
what
the
you have to
school
do-
notice organizing a fete.
Yes, this is.
Ma'am, this is to inform that school notice organizing a fete.
You can also write this is to inform that you can write that you are having a school fete on so and so date. Okay, mention the date, the time, and here because you will also tell them that they have to get 3 best stalls can get they will get prizes from the education secretary. So first you have to tell that when you will have the school fete, what would be the timings of the school fete, and then what all stalls can the students put up. You can give them example also. You can encourage students to participate in the school fete. Alright, tell them that you can put up so many different types of stalls, food stalls, game stalls, alright, fun stalls, whatever you want to write, and then tell them that the best 3 stalls would get prizes from the education secretary. And so then you also need to tell them that this information needs to get to someone. If the students want to participate in the fete, then obviously they have to give this information to someone. So you can tell them that either they can give this information to their class teachers or to the headmistress or to the undersigned also. Sometimes you also mention to the undersigned. Undersigned means the one who is writing the notice. Is that understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Guys,
ma'am.
you can write this is to inform that we are having a school fete. That there will be a, not we are having, that there will be a fete fete in school on whatever day you want to tell. Which date? Suggest.
Ma'am, 18 August.
18th.
Ma'am, August.
18th August. Okay. So that.
Ma'am, weekend 15th August also.
Okay, 15th August. So whatever date, tell the time also. Alright, we'll this is to inform that there'll be a school fete on 15th August, so and so timings. Students can put up their own stalls. You can put up books, game stalls, food stalls. You can tell them also that the best 3 stalls will get prizes from the education secretary. Those who are interested, they can give their names to the class teacher or the headmistress or the undersigned, whatever you want to write. Okay, and till when they have to give their names, tell that also. Then write your name. What name will you write? The boys will write what?
Ma'am, Amit Goyal.
Amit Goyal. And the girls?
Ma'am, Amita Goyal.
Ma'am, Amita Goyal.
And Amita Goyal. Write at the end.
Ma'am, school captain. The school captain.
Okay, school captain. And then you put the notice in a box. Will you be able to do it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
write the notice, and when we meet on, we'll meet tomorrow, right? Yes, we'll meet tomorrow. So when we meet tomorrow, then we will discuss it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So in case you have any problem, any query, we will discuss that in class tomorrow.